I don't know, my headphones are fucked. Right, soldering iron. I'm at 200. There you go, 300. Oh yeah, and then like a dickhead, I already lost one of the screws. It's on the floor, but I can't see it. Anyway, back to the soldering iron. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I'm gonna give you a nice little tin. A little zip in here. Oh, lovely. Now, this little red dot here means that this red here should be on that pin. So we're just going to tin the end of this very gently. And tin into this very gently. Is this the right way up? Yep. You can actually see where this, you can see the two little bits where it came off, and that's the red dot. So then we just want to yeah, these old hands aren't as neat as they used to be. Also, I probably should have cleaned all this off, but I forgot to buy a solder soaker, so we're just gonna do a cowboy job on it, because it's for me. But it'll get you out of jail. And yeah, some clamps might have been nice. We'll test this and see how crack is. And we have a successful repair. Okay. No, I didn't actually lose the screw. Good. And yeah, this is probably like the fucking fuckiest bit of it all. Getting the stupid spongy bit back on. It's like worse than a fitted sheet. Oh. Oh yeah. I forgot about the technique. Fold it back, put it across, fold it over. Ah! Kenji. Lovely. Oh yeah, one more thing. I'm not quite sure. Before I started, I covered everything with it. Gave it a few minutes to dry. This will protect us all from any sort of infection, not just the latest, most popular and greatest one. It was actually developed for Ebola. Headphones in particular, especially the earpieces and whatnot, and anything that's anywhere near your face can carry all sorts of weird germs and infections, so you're always better off safe than sorry.